Hi everyone, in this video we are diving into IntelliJ IDEA, one of the most powerful and popular integrated development environments out there. IntelliJ IDEA is developed by JetBrains, a company renowned for creating top-notch tools for developers. While it is primarily used for Java and Kotlin development, it also supports a wide range of other programming languages like Groovy, Scala, and many more. Let's talk about the two editions of IntelliJ IDEA. The first one is Community Edition. This is free and open source, perfect for individual developers and small teams. It provides core features for Java and Kotlin development and supports several other languages and frameworks. The second one is Ultimate Edition. This is the commercial edition packed with advanced features for web development, enterprise solutions, database tools, and much more. It is ideal for professional developers and large teams who need a fully featured IDE. IntelliJ IDEA is loved by developers for its advanced code editing, debugging capabilities, and powerful project management features. It is designed to make coding as efficient and enjoyable as possible. In today's video, I will walk you through how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA and guide you step by step to write your first Java application using this amazing IDE. Let's get started. To download and install IntelliJ IDEA, go to JetBrains.com website, and from the toolbar here on the top, go to Developer Tools and then IntelliJ IDEA. Then click on the download button. Here you can download the Ultimate Edition. If you scroll a bit down, here there is the Community Edition version of IntelliJ IDEA. Download the Community Edition here and install it. After installing IntelliJ IDEA, open it, and here in this window click on New Project. Enter a name for your project here, for example, Hello IntelliJ. Then select a location for your project. You can click on this button here and select the folder you want to store your project. For the build system, select the IntelliJ IDEA. For the JDK, select the version of JDK you already have. If you don't have any JDK, you can download a JDK here. I want to go with Timorin 23 OpenJDK. Then click on the Create button. This is the default window of IntelliJ IDEA. At the left, we have the Project Explorer window. Right-click on SRC or source folder and add a new Java class here. For example, I want to have a class main and then press enter. IntelliJ IDEA will create a main class for you here. Now I want to add a main method to this class. To do so, just start typing PSVM, a shortcut for public static void main. Then press enter. It will create a main method for you. Now I want to write a hello world message. To do so, I can go with SOT, a shortcut for system.out.println. And now I can write my message here, hello world. To run this main method, I can click on this button here. As you can see, I have options for run, debug, or we can go here on top and click on this run button here. The other option is going to menu here and select the run menu and then select this run main.java menu item here. We can also click Shift plus F10 to run this class. As you can see, we have multiple options to run a class. Now let's run our main method here by clicking on this button. As you can see, a new terminal window opens here and shows us the output of our program. That's it. You have taken your first step toward becoming a more efficient Java developer with IntelliJ IDEA. Want to learn more? Visit the JetBrains website for official documentation and support. Check my other videos on Java development. Like, comment, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. And happy coding!